everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to set take a break on thread. Now to do that, open the thread application first. Once you open the thread app, you need to go to the profile of yours. Tap on profile icon on the bottom right. There on the profile, you tap on the two horizontal lines just above the screen on the right side. Tap on it, and from there setting, you need to go to the accounts. Tap on accounts option. In the accounts on the very top, you will see the option take a break. You tap that. This is a scheduled reminder for you to take a break when you spend a lot of time on this application. So there's a break option every 10 minutes, every 20 minutes, every 30 minutes, and never. So currently my setting is in never, so I do not have any break time. So I'm gonna tap it to the every 10 minutes, and this will automatically be saved. You just go back, tap again, the setting will still be at every 10 minutes. So after every 10 minutes, you will be notified that you need to take a break. This is a way how you can set take a break on thread. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.